Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lug wrenches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Powerbuilt Billy Club Universal Lug Wrench. This model from Powerbuilt comes equipped with 4 sockets of different sizes designed to match the lugs of various tire types. What makes it distinct, however, is the L-shaped design of the lug socket. While not being the most straightforward design, the L-shaped pulling mechanism provides more torque to the lug nuts compared to standard cross-like 4-way tools. As for the materials, the tool is made of CRV steel, which can withstand even the toughest jobs out there without too much of an issue. The L-type wrench construction, combined with a sliding extension socket drive head, on the other hand, enables adjusting the head according to the size of the lug nut. Moving on at number 4, we have the Aries 70092 4-way sliding lug wrench. The foldable design of the Aries 70092 4-way sliding lug tool makes it an ideal portable option for charging the tires. Due to its modest, by tire iron standards, dimensions, it will fit virtually any car trunk or vehicle toolbox, assuming you own one. The thing that we didn't really appreciate is the fact that the CRV steel that the tool is made of is certainly durable and quite strong. However, this particular grade tends to get rusty over time. With that in mind, it is not recommended to store the wrench in poorly ventilated or otherwise damp environments to prevent potential corrosion from appearing on the chromed finish. At number 3, we have the Performance Tool W1 Silver 20-inch SAE/metric 4-way cross lug wrench. W1 from Performance Tool features a standard cross-like welded construction that makes it highly durable. However, that's not all there is to it. On top of the durable build, the wrench is also corrosion resistant, which makes it a feasible option as a portable tool. Conversely, the 20-inch length of the arms enables storing it inside your car's trunk or underneath one of the seats owing to its relatively low profile and lightweight. Specifications-wise, Performance Tool W1 can deal with virtually any standard tire thanks to its long 20-inch arms. Once fastened on the lug nut, the wrench provides just enough torque to change the tire on your vehicle quick and without putting too much elbow grease into it. At number 2, we have the TEKTON 5975 20-inch 4-way lug wrench. Although 4-way wrenches are great for smaller lugs that don't require a lot of leverage, they usually struggle with bigger tires. That said, this is not the case with the TEKTON 5975. Thanks to its extra long, 20-inch arms, you will be able to change any tire with ease to match while providing enough room for users to put their hands and feel comfortable unfastening and fastening the lug nuts. Furthermore, the welded lug sockets enable an extra tight grip with the lug nuts, which further simplifies the process of changing the tires on your car by providing enough torque. What's more, each arm has a lug socket, which makes the tool compatible with 3/4, 13/16, as well as 7/8-inch lug nuts, or simply 19mm, 21mm, and 22mm for metric lug nuts. When it comes to durability, though, the wrench is made of high-quality CRV steel that makes the tool almost indestructible. And finally, at number 1, we have the WorkPro 14-inch Universal Folding Lug Wrench. This particular wrench model from WorkPro is yet another folding lug tool that looks just like any other 4-way tire iron. Nevertheless, it still has some aces up its sleeve, so let's take a closer look at those. First of all, the arms of the wrench are noticeably smaller when compared with other tools on our list. Even though one could assume that it makes the overall usability worse, it is not exactly true. By being more nimble and providing just enough pull force to the lug nut, the 14-inch arms of the lug wrench provide as much clearance as needed to change the wheels, and to fasten or unfasten the lug nuts on them. Secondly, the wrench is made of drop-forged steel that has been additionally reinforced with heat treatment. Owing to this, it is exceptionally durable and corrosion-resistant, which obviously makes it a worthy investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.